Welcome to AT Math Academy. The problem for today is it's a trigonometric problem. So I'm going to read the problem for you. Samantha is standing 20 feet away from a large tree. The angle of elevation from her eyes, which are 5 feet above the ground, to the top of the tree is 57 degrees. How tall is the tree to the nearest tenth of a foot? So we are going to solve this problem using trigonometry. So Samantha is standing 20 feet away. I'm underlining one of the clue, and it is from a large tree. And we know that the angle of elevation from her eyes is 57 degrees. But this angle of elevation is 5 feet above the ground. So this elevation is not from the ground, but it is 5 feet above the ground. So now our question is, how tall is the tree? So let's draw the figure for that. So here is how I'm going to draw it. So let's draw the ground here on the bottom, and let's think here is the tree, that we have a tree here, and let's say this is the height of the tree, and let's name this height as x. And as you all knew that the angle of elevation is 57 degrees, so I'm drawing a line and I'm marking this as 57 degrees. But it was mentioned that it is 5 feet above ground. So let me draw ground here, and from the ground it is 5 feet above. So now we need to find out the height of the tree, and one more clue I have here is 20 feet is Samantha is standing here at a 20 feet distance away from the tree. So this distance is 20 feet and it is 5 feet above the ground, and it is 57 degrees inclination for the tree, and I need to find out the height of the tree. So in this figure, if you closely observe the figure, we can write a trigonometric ratio. So I have redrawn my figure like this. So it is 5 feet above the ground and 57 degrees inclination, and the tree height is x, and 20 feet is the distance where Samantha is standing. So we need to find out the height of the tree. In order to do so, we have a trigonometric ratio which is called tan theta. So tan theta can be found out by using the formula tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So for this figure, we are going to write theta is 57 degrees. So tan 57 degrees is opposite side is x, height of the tree, by adjacent side is here on the floor, which is 20. So from this, we are finding out the height of the tree, which is x equal to 20 into tan 57, which is nothing but it will be 30.79 using the calculator. So, and we need to find out it from the how tall is the tree to the nearest tenth of a foot. So this is the height of the tree, but it is calculated from this base here. So that is 5 feet from the ground level. So for finding out the exact height from the ground, we need to add 5 to this, 30.79 plus 5, which will be 35.79. So in this way, after adding the height from the ground, we are getting the total height of the tree from the ground level, which is 35.79. So let me explain it once again. Samantha is standing 20 feet away from a large tree. Angle of elevation is 57 from 5 feet above the ground. And how tall is the tree to the nearest tenth of a foot? So for this I have drawn the figure like this. And tan theta is opposite side, which is x by 20. And I found out x, which is the height of the tree. But this height is found out from the base here. But I need the height from the ground level. So I am going to add this 5 feet distance to the x value. So x value I have got here is 30.79, and I'm going to add my 5 to it, which is 35.79. So the height for the tree is 35.79. So this is how you solve the problem. And here is the question one more time. And this is a solution for that. And hope you all like my video, and please subscribe AT Math Academy, and thank you for watching it. Enjoy doing math at AT. Thank you.